We're going to walk through this together today so that you can learn the basics and practice over and over again. Make sure your body is calm, you're in a safe place, you feel warm and relaxed. Take a big, deep, cleansing breath. Today, we are just going to learn and practice. So as you listen to my voice, try your best to learn this technique so that you can start living your healthiest life possible. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. You're going to hold your breath for a count of 7. And you're going to breathe your breath out for a count of 8. It's best if you breathe in through your nose, hold that breath in your lungs, and then breathe out through your mouth, making a small sound if you need to get a forceful exhale of all of the breath out of your belly. As you engage your stomach muscles with your breath out, this will help lower your heart rate and lower your blood pressure. On this first practice breath, I will just count so that you can get a feel for it. It doesn't have to be full seconds. It just has to be a smooth inhale and a very long exhale. So something like this. Start your inhale when I start to count right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How did you do? Remember, if it's your first time, it can be very difficult to hold your breath in for a count of 7. So aim for a smooth inhale, a breath hold for as long as you can manage, and a smooth, strong exhale out through your mouth, engaging your stomach muscles. Let's try again. I'm going to start to count, and you begin to bring your breath in right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will get easier with practice. You're aiming to do 4 cycles, so 4, 7, 8, 4 times every morning and every night, so that you can lower your blood pressure, reduce your anxiety, lower your heart rate, and feel calm. One tip is to take your blood pressure at home. If you have a blood pressure cuff, try 4 cycles of this intentional breath in with a strong blowing breath out, and then recheck your blood pressure. Over time, you'll see your second blood pressure getting lower and lower. This technique was created by Dr. Andrew Weil. I will link a video to him doing this in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck on your health journey.